Hi guys and welcome to today's video. It's been a little while since I made my last video. I don't really have a reason or an excuse. I just haven't really known what I felt like filming, and I didn't want to film something for the sake of filming it. But I am going to film 2 videos today. I'm not even going to bother getting changed, so you will see me wearing this again next week for another very similar video. But some of you have messaged me on Instagram to say that you have missed my Mail Mondays. So today I thought I would do a bit of an unboxing because I do have quite a lot of new things to show you. But the reason I did stop doing my Mail Mondays is because they can come across as a bit braggy, and also I don't have that much like useful information to share with you because I haven't tried all the products. There are a few products in this video that I have tried, so hopefully you guys still enjoy it and still find it a useful video. But I do also think it's just quite nice to know what new items are coming out. One thing I will say is today the weather was horrific. I went out to get some lunch and I got rained on. Like literally the minute I stepped outside my umbrella like broke. I wore silly trainers, but what I'm trying to say is that like I was very much rained on. I had to blow dry my hair once I got home. That might be a bit gross because I essentially blow dried rainwater into my hair, but I really didn't fancy washing my hair again. But this intro has been a bit long, so we're going to get started. I have got a basket on my lap with loads of stuff inside and a few things on my desk. We're going to start with a few things that are on my desk. This isn't nothing new, but it's just a brand that I really love and I kind of wanted to mention again, and that is Tweezerman. They sent me an avocado nail file and tweezer, and also these really adorable mini tweezers. If you guys haven't tried Tweezerman, I honestly think they're the best tweezer brand out there. I wouldn't use anything else. They're slightly more expensive than like cheap tweezers, but I would definitely recommend checking them out. They're available in Boots and sometimes they're on like offers, so check them out because I definitely think that once you start using them you won't go back. They are amazing. They just pull hair way better and they don't like bend and go like funny shapes like a lot of other tweezers do. New from Benefit, very excited about this. This is the Benefit Join the Cheerleaders, it's called Cheerleaders palette. This is Cheerleaders Bronze Squad, but there is also a Blush Squad, which is very exciting. I have got the Bronze Squad because that's typically kind of more my aesthetic, I think, than blush, although recently I have been loving blush. But this is very exciting. This one's actually more exciting, I think, than the blush one. Oh, I dropped the brush. That's a bit annoying. There is a brush that goes in here, but I just dropped it. And then we also have Gold Rush Cookie Highlight, which comes out only in September, so it's exclusive to this palette until September. Hula Caramel, which comes out next month, so again until next month it's exclusive to this palette. Hula, which is just a classic beautiful bronzer, it's one of my absolute faves. And then Coralista, which is a beautiful coral blush, which I actually haven't used in years, but it's still a product I really love. And this is actually £52, which might sound like a lot, but the value of it is £130, so definitely worth checking out. And I love the Benefit blush palettes. I just think they're beautiful. I have a few of them and they kind of go in my like collection makeup. They're just beautiful. I cannot wait to try this. I'm sure I'll be using this very soon. I'm going to try and Instagram beauty stuff a little bit more, so definitely check me out on there if you are interested to see what this looks like on the skin and how I've used it. Then new shampoo and conditioner. I don't really get that excited about shampoo and conditioner, but this one does sound quite cool. It's from a brand called Worthington, which is available in like Boots. And this is the Healthy Balance Harmonizing Shampoo and Conditioner. Harmonizing Shampoo and Dry Ends Conditioner. So the idea behind this is that if you've got greasy roots and dry ends like me, I have got colour through the ends of my hair. I'm hoping to put some more colour through it in a couple of weeks. This is a sort of product that is great for my hair type. I haven't tried it yet. I'm very excited to do so. I saw a lot of science behind it because I went to an event and it sounds really cool. I will let you know how I get on. There's also a dry shampoo, which actually probably sounds the most interesting in my opinion, because apparently it doesn't kind of give you powdery build-up. I will actually talk about the dry shampoo that I'm currently using as we get into this video. Onto my basket, got a few products to talk about. By a few I mean loads. This is Micellar, Garnier Micellar Milky Cleansing Water for dry and sensitive skin. I haven't tried this one yet, sorry, but Garnier Micellar water is my favourite. I've only used the classic one, which isn't Milky, but very much looking forward to trying this one as well. Really affordable, and I suspect it will be really nice. I hope it will be very nice because I really like Garnier. That'll probably go on my makeup kind of section, and I'll probably start using that next. I am actually currently using like a Nivea one, which is nice. It's actually just an eye makeup remover, but that's typically what I use micellar water for. Cool. This is a classic product that's been revamped. It's the Kiehl's Ultra Facial 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula. This has been kind of upgraded. It's supposed to hydrate even better than before. Again, not tried it yet. I didn't love the original. I liked it when I was using it, but now like I don't miss it. I wouldn't go back to it. I like it enough that I would give the new one a go, hoping that it will be even better than the last one, which wasn't bad. It just wasn't like outstanding. This is quite a small one actually. This is a 28ml, but I will definitely give it a go. And hopefully I'll love it, because my skin is very dehydrated and it's supposed to be quite good for drier skin. Oh, these. Hold on. I need to find them. This basket is not a good way to organise my stuff. These are called the Super Stylo Satin Finish Lipsticks from MUA. I have one of them open already. These look so good. And I have tried this one already, which is why it's open, and you can probably tell I have used this. This is in the colour Heroic. That's like 2 swipes. That is so nice. I am really excited about these. MUA is super affordable, and I wore this, I wore this at home. It arrived through my letterbox and I tried this straight away and I really liked it. I only wore it that day though, but it was nice. I quite like nudes in like sheeny colours, and I think these are like slightly satiny, which is what I like my nudes in, but probably not so much my reds. I'd probably avoid the reds in a more of a glossier colour, but pigment wise these are amazing. And if like me you do quite enjoy this kind of crayon-esque packaging, then great. Even this colour is so nice. They look so good. I'm very excited about these. I think there's about 8 colours, but I don't have them all. This one is Elite. Just wow. They look very good. I'm very excited about those, and like I said, they're very affordable. Oh, I know what I'll try. I have one of these like reusable cotton pads, and I'll give it a go with the Garnier. Although I feel like I'm going to stain this cotton pad straight away. I think the lipsticks have stained my hand a little, but the Garnier does seem to be doing a good job. Maybe a little bit more because the pad got dirty quite quickly. Yeah, done a decent job actually, especially considering it was like bright coloured lipstick. I have actually given this a go. This is the Syoss Root Retoucher. I don't have greys. I actually have one grey we found. Very sad. My hairdresser found one grey and I was like, are you joking? And she was like, no, look, it's here. And I was like, okay. I have only got one grey so far that we've seen. I have got colour in my hair, like I said, so it could be covered. I think this is really nice if you have quite fine hair. You know how it's quite popular now to kind of like tie your hair up like this, and so where my hair is quite fine, like along here, you can spray this even like along your what am I trying to say, your like parting. Because my hair is quite fine, my parting can be like quite wide. This is a good option and loads of people use it for this. There are other items you can use, for example like a brow colour works quite well for your roots, and loads of celebrities do it. It's a bit of a trick, but that's what I personally use this product for, and it's worked alright for me. Probably not as well as using a brush and an eyeshadow, but it's alright. Ooh! This is the Benefit Tattoo Brows. It scares me though. And I also have the colour Warmest Brown. Warm brown. And I don't really like my brows too warm despite my hair being quite warm. But I have seen this everywhere and this does look very exciting. How do you do this? Hold on. You apply it to your brows. Oh my god, I think that's it. Fill it in and you blend and that's it. And it lasts 2 days. That is cool. I won't be giving this shade a go, but if there is another shade in here then I'll definitely give that a go. Then probably not for me. This is the Mask Bar Black Gold Cleanser with charcoal and 24 karat gold. I want to see what this looks like though. Ooh! It's like a gel with like black and gold particles in it. It smells quite nice too. Now I don't think this product is for me because I have quite dehydrated skin, and the fact that it's got charcoal in it, I could probably use it a couple of times a week at best. Potentially for someone with slightly oilier skin this would work quite well. Packaging wise I really like the pump as well, and Mask Bar is generally a brand I really love. Oh, hold on, I did actually find a deep brown in the Maybelline. just a little bit nervous because it lasts so long that if it goes wrong, it could go really wrong for 2 whole days. But I am going to give that a go. I'll put that to the side and try that. And oh, this is a cool one. Now this is from Elizabeth Arden, which is one of my favourite brands. They do the best eyeliner. It's so good. This is their collab with Reese Witherspoon and it's called Beautiful Colour Moisturising Lipstick. And it's for their We March On campaign. And it's just a very exciting lipstick because 100% of the proceeds go to UN Women. And it's just a beautiful bright pink. So if you're looking to kind of do your part this March and fancy supporting a great cause and buying a beautiful lipstick, then definitely get yourself down to any department store and pick up this lipstick from Elizabeth Arden. A few new little bits from Yes To. There's a Yes To Brightening Glow Enhancing Vitamin C Booster. Oh, you can add it to your cleanser, scrub, face mask, wipe, moisturiser or eye cream. I don't know what this is, but it sounds very cool. Then there's also a moisturising coconut oil stick, which honestly sounds terrifying to me. I mean, there's not loads of ingredients, and the first one is coconut oil, shea butter, beeswax, castor oil. I guess I do know the bulk of them, which is a good sign. But honestly, I probably just don't want to moisturise with a stick. Although if it's for your body, I guess it's not that bad. Hold on. Oh no, it's for your face, hands and body. Interesting. Wouldn't use it on my face. Probably would use it on my hands and body though. But especially when my skin is exposed in the summer, I think this would add like a really nice glow. And then I'm very, very excited to tell you about the Eborian CC Eyecream. I love Eborian as a brand, and their CC cream is probably one of my favourites. I potentially do reach more for the It Cosmetics CC cream, but they're very different. The Eborian is more lightweight, it's really natural, it's what you imagine when you think of a CC cream, whereas like It Cosmetics is quite full on. But they've also launched an eye cream which is perfect if you want to kind of just add a little bit of like brightness, but you don't want to add too much kind of coverage to your eye area. It's really, really pretty. Comes in like little packaging like this, and then it's one of those that you kind of have to warm up to get the colour out of it. You can't even see that on my skin. You can just tell there's a little bit of like a more perfected area. Very, very pretty, and would highly recommend this. I'll leave the link to everything down below. So these aren't actually new items to me, they're just like top-ups, but this is the Soap and Glory Clean On Me. I think I've spoken about this quite a few times. It smells great, but I would say that the new fruity scent for Soap and Glory is my favourite. But as a family we love this because we love a shower gel with a pump, and this is a really, really great one. I've been in a lot of houses this month and everyone seems to have these in the shower, so they're very, very popular. I've also started a new Soap and Glory body scrub because I just think they're some of the best. I have a new Righteous butter, which again is one of my favourite butters. And then I've also got a new 2-in-1 brow filling pencil and brush, which is great because I do really, really like this one. It's one of my favourite drugstore ones. It's called Archery, a little nib on one side and then a spoolie. What more could you ask for? But probably the thing I'm most excited to tell you about is Living Proof, which is a brand I've been trying this month. It's a hair brand. So a product I've used before in mini form is the Living Proof Restore Mask Treatment. I've liked this, but I've only ever had small ones, so I feel like although I've liked it, I don't know if I've necessarily loved it because I haven't used it for a prolonged period of time, and I'm very, very much looking forward to giving this one a go. Actually, I have tried this. This is the Instant Defreeze. Right in my mouth. Oh, that's so annoying. It does not taste nice. So this is the Instant Defrizz. I don't have overly frizzy hair because it's just flat and crap, but my ends can go frizzy, especially on like day 2, and I have been using this for that, and it is nice. I feel like I don't have particularly difficult frizzy hair, so I'm not necessarily the person to comment on that. This is Bodybuilder. Why have I not tried this? I remember talking about this. So this is super cool because basically like you can decide how much volume you want by twisting this. I don't know if you can tell, but it says turn white nozzle, and you turn it right for more volume, for more body, and left for less body. I mean, I always want more, but this is something I'm going to look into properly because if I can use this in dry hair, I'm going to give this a go today because I am going out for dinner. and clearly I can't go out with my hair looking like this. But what I have been using is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. Really been liking this. It's one that you kind of apply and brush out, but I do find that it cleanses my hair. I think this is my favourite dry shampoo, on par with Batiste, but very different to Batiste. Batiste kind of offers like gritty, powdery absorption, whereas this does absorb, but it doesn't kind of leave you that like powdery grittiness. It does a little bit, but not as much, which sometimes I want that, sometimes I don't, and kind of depending on whether I do or don't want that, this is really lovely. And then I also have been using the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast, which again I really like. I just kind of part my hair, usually when I've curled it, and I am going to curl it after this, and kind of just spray it underneath, and it kind of just adds a little bit of volume. It also smells like fructus, which I used to use when I was little, and it really reminds me of like sticky volume products, but it isn't a sticky volume product at all. These also come with lids, but I'm so bad at losing lids. Am I the only one? I hope not. But very excited about Living Proof. Really like everything I've tried so far. Have gotten a few new little MUA bits, which I'm excited to try. This is City Skin, probably the one product I'm most excited to try, and I will get back to you on how I get on with it. Nutrient charged water, again really dehydrated skin, so this sounds like something I will love, and I'm really hoping I will love it. And then again, a serum, perfect for my dehydrated skin, and very much looking forward to trying it. I will get back to you on how I'm getting on with items. Like I said, I think I'm going to do a few more beauty stories and beauty posts on Instagram, so do head over to my Instagram if you are interested in beauty, but also fashion, because my like grid pictures are largely fashiony nowadays. I just think that's a little bit more popular on Instagram. But I shall see you all very soon. I am filming another one of these literally after this, although I think I might curl my hair in between because at least I look mildly different. But if you did enjoy it, do let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I shall see you all very soon. Bye.